Hey guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen from kelvinskitchen.com. Today we're making air fryer garlic butter pork chops. Ew.
Let's begin by making a rub. In a small mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of dry rosemary, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt or to taste, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a quick mix. Now, for this recipe, we are using 3 pounds of pork chops. Lay your pork chops on a baking tray. Then, using paper towels, remove any excess moisture. Using a fork, poke around your pork chops just like so. By doing so, we are making sure that the flavors go into the meat. Do this on both sides. Then drizzle some olive oil onto the pork chops. Using your fingers, make sure you rub that in. Flip them over and repeat. Now season the pork chops with the rub that we created. Use all of the rub and season them on both sides. Ensure that the pork chops are fully covered in the rub. Then air fry them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooking times depends on the thickness of your pork chops. For thin pork chops, I would do anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. For thick pork chops, I would do anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. Now set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat for 3 minutes. Then place the pork chops in the preheated basket. You may air fry a few pork chops at a time, depends on the size of your air fryer. Then air fry them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, let's make some garlic butter. Combine 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter with 3 cloves of garlic minced and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Then mix to combine. And once evenly incorporated, set it aside. And halfway through the cooking time, flip the pork chops over. Continue air frying them for the remaining time. Once your pork chops have been cooked, make sure that the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. Garnish the pork chops with the garlic butter. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, garlic butter air fryer pork chops. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah!